Happy 4th of July. It's about noon here, 4th of July. Starting to get things ready. Gonna start taking some of these smaller cakes here in a little bit. Gonna start gluing them down onto a skid, fusing them together. And of course, we're going to take some of these and fuse them into the rack, get it ready for the finale. So yeah, got this done pretty good. So hopefully I can get some footage of the setting up part, maybe, we'll see. Hopefully it'll be a good show tonight. Should be.
Here in South Carolina, we do things different.
When it comes to fireworks, we don't hire professionals. We are professionals.
We got what you
yourself.
call freelance fireworks shows.
First board.
This song is a tribute
All
to
glued.
an elite set of men
Who
Liquid
exercise
nail.
their inalienable right
Got a little
to shoot off fireworks.
paste it down.
Bobby taught us by example
Everything
not
in
to look
place.
down a Roman candle when you light it.
What we're gonna do here
He
is
lost his right eye,
just to
but
show
you
you
know he's
how
a
it's
better
gonna all
looking
start
guy
out.
without it.
Now I have a battery Saturn missiles. We're gonna start out probably first, and then
That jumbo
this
bottle
first
rocket
row here.
Don lit in his
see.
pocket would
We
have
got it all
flew
fused.
if it weren't for his belt loop.
fast fuse. It's not the
We were
fast fuse that
listening to Elvis
Fire
when
Direct
it
sells. I do
shattered
have
his
some of that. I'm
pelvis, but it
gonna
was
use that for
true,
my finale
'cause
rack.
it blew right at the end of Don't Be
But this stuff is just as good.
This
we have
song
these
is
two cakes
for all our
fast fused together.
technical heroes.
This pink fuse is just a little slower than the
They made
regular
up
fast
in
fuse.
combustion.
Stuff like this is great. This fuse is great when you have multiple cakes like this. I mean, this first row, I'm pretty excited to see this first row because I think it's going to be pretty dramatic. All these cakes going off one time, even though they're small cakes, it's still going to look pretty cool. So I'm pretty excited to see this. We're gonna fuse these aquariums together, but we're gonna be lighting with torches, so I'll just stick the torch in there and it'll light both of them.
Well, he did
Same with
good,
jungle
I
cats, two
reckon.
jungle cats
He rode
together.
a full 8 seconds without
And
spilling
two
one
boiling
drop
points.
of his beer.
And over here we have the
This song
other racket.
is for
Well, it's not a
all
racket,
our
it's a skid.
pyrotechnical
Skid full of stuff.
heroes.
We have
Risking
these two
mutilation,
these two fused.
all for detonation.
There's two fused right there.
They
All these
ignited
are
the
fast
firestorm. Now
And what our
we
plan
fan
is,
a
all the
flame,
500 gram cakes that we don't have glued down,
and we
we'll go in the middle
salute
here.
you.
So we have a flat surface and there should be enough
Founding
space.
fathers of the Freelance Fireworks Hall of Fame.
8 Excalibur exterminator shells. Earlier video told you first row will go, then the rest. The finale. And then some other cakes. The rest of the 500 grams go in here. And here is the rest, 500 grams. Some X-Cows.
Put on your hat. think it's still sitting up here.
Let's just move. Oh, there we go.
Oh, beautiful. Far we will cruise in liberating strife. Who more than self? Yeah, country love.
Yeah, now.
And mercy more than life. America.
All right.
Make God thy glory find. Success. And every gain designed. You know, when I was in school, we used to sing it something like this. Listen here. Oh, beautiful. Far spacious skies. Far amber waves of rain. Far purple mountain majesty. The fruited plain. But now wait a minute. I'm talking about America, sweet America. You know, God done shed His grace on thee. He crowned that good. Yes, He did. Baby brotherhood. From sea to shining sea. You know, I wish I had somebody else to sing this. America, I love you, America.